policy of the present administration of bend the law. In law, sa batas po, a previous acts constitute pattern that will prove the allegations being made. Ano yung policy nitong administrasyon na to na bend the law, appropriated allocations na sinabi na ng Korte Suprema in the 2013 case of Belica na unconstitutional. Ito po, tingnan nyo kung paano binibend the law. Kaya dapat po magigil na to by removing the President. Presidente Duterte. Ito pa, kung napansin nyo, even before that, for the first time in legislative history, mayroong committee hearing sa House wherein the Council was physically prevented from advising his client. Ako yun, dun sa Quadcom. Again, for the first time in our country's history, yung rules regarding the appointments and consideration of the JBC, in-ignore. Anong ginawa? Pagka may kaso, di ba, hindi pwedeng consider ng JBC. Anong ginawa? Just for the case of Remulla, Boying Remulla, tinanggal yung rule na automatically docketed just to say na walang kasong docketed against Ombudsman Remulla para ma-appoint siya. Break the law na yun, hindi na bend the law yun. Ano pa? Yung abuse ng administrasyon ng hearsay, nililinlan po ang taong bayan. Kaya yung sinasabi ng hearsay si Saldico, hindi po. That is eyewitness testimony. Matibay po yun. Yung sinasabi nilang si Leviste ay dapat i-authenticate yung Cabral files, mali po yun. Mali yung ginagawa ni Tim Lacson. By the mere fact that a person was placed under oath in the BRC hearing, at sinabi niya, nakuha niya yung kay Cabral, siya mismo. That is proper authentication under the law. Pero sasabihin nila hindi. By the mere fact that a member of the family is snapping out of her own personal knowledge na gumagamit ng droga ang Pangulo, hindi po hearsay yun. Wala pong hearsay doon. Si Gutesa, the mere fact na sinabi niya, nag-deliver siya ng pera kay Martin Romualdez, hindi po hearsay yun. Eyewitness account po yun. Then, dalo na naman, yung bribery ng mga kapatid na Remulla, inalokay sa bilyon, but inaresto yun. Attempted bribery yun, that is a crime. Ano ginawa nila? Pumunta sila sa media, sinabi nila, oy, may nag-attempt na mag-bribe sa akin, ayaw naman sabihin ko sino. Oh, they were sworn to uphold the laws and faithfully execute the same. Bakit hindi nila sinunod yung batas?